I'm a root biologist by training. Since last 10 to 12 years, we've been trying to solve issues related to soil health. We are looking into microbes that can not only grow better plants, healthier plants and nutritious plants. We were successful in basically culturing a microbe, a soil microbe, from carrot roots and used it as a generalist colonizer, meaning it can actually colonize multiple hosts. And not only colonize multiple plant hosts, but also impart benefits to the plant. So Bacillus subtilis strain UD1022 is a good helping bacteria for plant. When we started almost 12 years back, there was no soil bacterium that was used commercially, apart from one or two exceptions. So ours was kind of one of the first inoculums that came out. And this is again way before the whole microbiome industry exploded. That's why it became a successful product, just because we did all the mechanistic proofs to show why this bacteria does what it does. It actually has multiple facets in terms of how you can increase agricultural productivity. IP, intellectual property meaning, is basically something which is not told to you right from the get-go, unless you're in engineering faculty. That comes very natural to them, but not to biologists. But now that trend is changing. The trend is changing just because you can identify IP based on where you are. For any technology to be successful, having a right kind of a center for IP, as we have here at University of Delaware, Office of Economic Innovation and Partnership, OEIP, that stands for, is very important. And they can really help you. They can kind of drop in on you and say that, what are you working on? And is there any IP in that, what you're working on? So as a young faculty, it's very important that you're aware of where the IP lies in your fundamental work. And then finding a right commercial partner is very important. A right commercial partner which has vested interest, just not shelving your technology, but has vested interest in your technology. And that also is of a prime importance. I think the risks and challenges are always in relation to how do you keep your lab going in terms of just finding the next funding. So marketing your IP, talking to commercial folks, that is all the ingredients for success for translation. But knowing your basics right, that's more important. In our work related to 1022 or the follow-up work that came out of 1022 as multiple patents that we filed through OEIP, it really helped us because OEIP is sitting in a place where they can actually foresee. They can foresee if this is translational or not. So when you have a very active Office of Economic Innovation partnership here at the University of Delaware, that unit is your eyes in terms of giving you that foresight.